Good day, everyone. Let me start by asking, have you ever stayed at a hotel where a robot serve your food or a smart system remember your favorite room temperature? Sounds futuristic, right? But believe it or not, it's already happening. Today, I'll be sharing how artificial intelligence and automation are transforming the hospitality industry, making it smarter, faster, and more efficient. While these technologies bring exciting advantages, they also come with challenges we need to prepare for. Let's dive in. The rise of AI in hospitality. AI is no longer just a buzzword, it's a key tool in hospitality. Hotels and restaurants use AI to improve customer service, reduce costs, and personalize guest experiences. For example, many hotels use chatbots for 24/7 customer support. In Japan and the US, robots help with room service and guide guests. According to Pong Pongsakorn Lima, 2023, this improves operations while lowering expenses, a major advantage. The benefits why AI works. AI makes everything efficient. It handles bookings, track preferences, and adjusts prices using real-time data. It sends personalized offers like birthday discounts, building guest loyalty. It also helps with revenue by predicting demand and analyzing trends. As you can see, here's a look at recent statistics. According to a 2023 survey, 64% of hoteliers have tried AI tools like ChatGPT. More than 50% believe AI will lead to better cost efficiency and service quality. Clearly, AI is no longer optional, it's essential. The risks and realities. But AI isn't perfect. There's job displacement, especially in entry-level roles. Then there's data privacy. AI store huge guest data which needs to protect it. Lastly, there's the loss of human touch because hospitality is about people, not just efficiency. Looking forward, the future of hospitality. AI keeps evolving. Soon, we'll see hotels using VR room tours, voice-activated rooms, and AI concierges. To keep up, workers need training and digital skills not to be replaced but to work with AI. In summary, AI and automation are transforming hospitality, improving efficiency, service, and profitability. But we must also protect jobs, data, and human connection. As future professionals, let's embrace innovation while keeping the heart of hospitality alive. Thank you, and may we all grow alongside this evolving industry.